guys, it's your girl Seynt here from leseynt.com. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make yourself look old in photos so you can post it on your Instagram stories or your Instagram feed, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for Instagram, and if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. A couple of weeks ago, my Instagram feed and explore page has been flooded with photos of people looking super duper old, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, you need to download an app called FaceApp, and I've already done it here. So it looks something like that. Be mindful that there's a pro version and a free version. In today's demonstration, I'm using the free version only, and it's really quite simple. I'm not going to go in depth on how to use the app. I'm just going to show you how to make yourself look older. And of course, once you've downloaded the app, open it up, and then you have some demo photos on top that you can select and play around with. But I'm gonna make myself look old, and so what you do is you need to open up the camera, take a photo, and then hit use, and it's gonna process it for a little bit. And once it's been done, you can see here, so you've got a lot of choices there, and the third one there says age, and I'm going to select old. Oh, look at that. That's what I'll look like when I'm like 70 years old. Well, I hope not. And there's a cool old as well. I actually haven't seen that. Oh, don't look any cooler than that. But anyways, that's how you do it. If you have any other questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below. But that's all from me for now, and I will see you on the next one.